Yeah, Tuesday and now even into Wednesday, 19 first alert weather days. We issue these when we feel the weather will have a very significant impact on your day. Obviously, every day the weather impacts us in some way, but some days are a little bit more intense than others. And tomorrow it is going to be very hot for this time of the year. Typical high for tomorrow's date would be about 81. We're going to be in the 90s, but with the humidity factored in, it will feel as if it's around 95, maybe even as hot as 100 to 104 west of 71. So we do have that potential for school closings. This is your first alert to keep those pets inside with you tomorrow where it's cool. Check the back seat of your car. Double check that. Never a bad idea, especially when it's hot outside. And then we're going to have to deal with some scattered thunderstorms mainly tomorrow evening, and some of those may be strong to severe. Now tonight, obviously much quieter out there, but it is still hot. I was just outside a few minutes ago. It's hot. We're at 87 in Cleveland, but it feels like 88. It's 90 right now in Akron, feels like 92. Again, we call that the heat index or the feels like temperature. Very warm, humid night ahead. We're going to be in the 70s. Few isolated showers possible tonight, but we have better odds for rain late Tuesday night into Wednesday. We're going to walk you through that part of your forecast, and I'll answer this very important question for you. When will it cool down out there? When is it going to feel a little bit more like late summer? We'll talk about that coming up in just a bit.
Because this is important information meteorologist Samantha Roberts going to give you. It's hot out there, Sam.
Yeah, it's hot, and we've got several more days of heat and intense humidity coming our way. So as Tiff said, pay attention because you definitely don't want to be caught off guard by this. You head to work tomorrow in like a sweatshirt, and this will definitely catch you off guard. And it's not just Tuesday now, it's also Wednesday, a 19 first alert weather day. Both days, heat index values potentially topping out around 100. The actual air temperature 90 to 95, but it'll feel hotter than that. And there's two kind of parts to this alert and this extreme heat we're tracking for you. Not only is it going to be hot and humid, but we will be dealing with some thunderstorms, and some of these may be strong to severe. This is mainly for Tuesday. Now, isolated stuff in the afternoon. I think you're a little bit more likely to see strong to severe thunderstorms overnight tomorrow and into a very early Wednesday morning. So think like 2-3 o'clock in the morning, long before sunrise. Let me walk you through some brand new data here on First Alert Future View. So most of Tuesday, just really hot and humid. It would actually be a great pool day for those of you who haven't gone back to school yet. Chance of an isolated thunderstorm. That's about it during the day. Now we have better chances for storms at night. This is Future View at about 1 o'clock in the morning. You see these complexes of storms coming in, and some of these may be strong to severe. I'm most concerned about the potential for damaging winds, but some of these storms may also produce hail, torrential rain, and that heavy rain threat could lead to some localized flooding. So if you live in a flood-prone area or you have a basement that's susceptible to flooding, this is something to watch very closely. We've had a lot of those problems this summer in Akron. We've had some pretty significant property flooding in Ravenna, in portions of Erie County. So as Tiff said, pay close attention to this because you don't want to be caught off guard by this when you wake up on Wednesday morning, and have a way to get your warning should we see any issued. 19 First Alert Weather app, of course, a great way to do that. It's a free download. Just search 19 News in your app store. By sunrise Wednesday, most of this is long gone, but we will have some isolated storms around during the day on Wednesday. Tonight, hot, humid, low 70s at night. I mean, for us to be seeing those types of temperatures, you also usually have a lot of humidity to accompany that. So it's going to be muggy. Can't rule out a passing shower or storm, but I think most of us will be dry until we get into tomorrow evening. We've also got a chance for storms Wednesday. Not as many though as what we're expecting Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Biggest issue Wednesday and really every day through Friday is just the heat and humidity. The heat index Wednesday potentially around 100, well into the 90s for our feels like temperature Thursday and Friday, and then finally